welcome to the
Colorful Sisters.
So today we're going to be making
Slime.
So we have a bunch of ingredients right in front of us for our slime. And you're like, where's the glue? It's right in these containers. No, these containers. And we have our mixing bowls, so we're going to tell you what you need. You'll need mixing bowls and mixing tools. Maybe lotion if you if you want. Show them one thing.
I got...
No, like one of the supplies.
So we have food coloring.
Yeah, we have pastel and bright colors. You need shaving cream.
My turn. And
I already showed them.
more food coloring.
If you want, if you don't know what color to do, maybe pigment and beads. Activator, borax and water.
And glitter.
Our favorite. So let's get on to the video. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we're going to pour our glue in from our containers. The reason why we usually pour it in our containers first is because so we get the right measurement. How much glue we need.
I'm just going to pour
So you just need to like pour your glue. And if you're wondering what those hands are, Ariel may need help for activating, so yeah. So
get all the glue out.
um,
I want every last drop. As there is in there.
oh, roll your sleeves up, Ari. You forgot.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to roll mine too.
I'll just do that.
Yeah, it's sticky. Okay. So we poured our glue. So I'm gonna put my container there. Oh. So now, are you gonna do shaving cream and like?
Dripping.
It's okay. It's okay. We'll clean it after. So are you gonna do shaving cream and some lotion?
I want to do shaving cream because
Okay. So you can put that in. So I'm gonna put some lotion slime with some shaving cream.
Me too.
I
I
like
do
that
both.
too. I'm gonna do 2 pumps.
I'm gonna do 3 pumps.
So I'm just gonna mix
Just
that.
a little bit. 1, 2, 3. That should be enough. Next, I need shaving cream.
Here, do you need help? No, it's like.
There we go.
Okay. So guys, we're also adding scents, and it's gonna be really cool. I like scents, and we have charms.
This is how it's turning out.
So that's how much I added. Okay,
We're gonna make more though.
maybe. So it's gonna look like kind of like whipped cream, but in liquid. So then, when you mix that all, you can see if you want more shaving cream or if you want more lotion.
I kind of want more lotion.
You do? Okay. I think I'm going to add a 1 pump of lotion, and I'll be pretty good.
Just gonna add 2, like little squirts.
And that's probably good for like all the add-ins. So now we're going to add in coloring, food coloring,
I'm gonna
and
use a green
glitter.
yellow. So I'm just gonna, there's a yellow.
How many drops? 2 drops, Ariel.
Okay.
Both. Okay, make sure to do of both. So
How do you know?
I don't know. I'm gonna do.
You just remembered what Mama says.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do one of these. I was super excited for these.
1, 2.
I'm gonna do a pink
Next, the other one.
or orange.
This is gonna be a cream yellow.
I'm gonna do pink. Mix, Ariel.
Okay.
Don't forget to mix. I'm gonna do pink
Whoa.
because this pink is like really pretty. It's kind of.
I kind of need a little
magenta.
more.
I'm gonna put some droppers in there. And we're gonna
Sorry if you
mix and
hear
mix and
something
mix
in the
and mix and
background.
mix and
It's
mix and
just our
mix.
bird.
She whispers to herself all the time.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm just weird.
Guys, look at that
sometimes.
color. Whoa. I like that. This kind of reminds me from when Mommy made that. Remember that slime you have from Mommy? That she said was a fail.
Sorry, I'm whispering again. I just like to do that. I don't know
Guys,
why.
no, it's because you need help and Yeah, so Ariel needs help. How many, like,
3
drops
drops.
she wants and everything
Yeah.
of each, like, food. She's doing 2 food colorings.
Yeah.
It looks like red when you mix it, but then
I
when it gets
I
on
want a darker yellow.
Okay, and I like this really pretty pink. Sorry
We
to hear
just-
that bag and noise.
Yeah, we just like I need help, so like someone is here because I need help, but we're not
Can
talking.
I have that one?
Sorry guys, someone needs to help us.
Yeah, we need help.
But we're not gonna say if you hear like things. That's just something.
So now we have pigments.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna use this
I
pigment.
really like this yellow. It's so pretty.
I'm gonna add one more drop of this really pretty nice.
I just
magenta
want to add like
color.
2 more because I want a little more darker. Okay. It's like I like having darker. Okay, that should be good. Now I'm gonna use my pigment. I have this really pretty gold. Well, it's kind of like a yellow goldish.
Okay, guys, we'll be right back to you guys when we have our color in.
Pigment.
Okay, guys, so now we're gonna
We got
go
the
on
color.
to.
Here's mine.
Oh,
It's not yellow. It's like a sun yellow.
It is yellow, but it is sun yellow. Here's mine.
It's kind of orangey yellowish.
It looks like batter for like cake. Or
Yeah,
something.
mine kind of does.
So
Like,
now it's time for the glitter. Glitter.
I think I maybe should have maybe a gold. Sorry, I need help again.
Here, I'm just gonna take. Oh yeah, guys, I want to show you guys this. We got this like holographic chubby
I really
glitter,
like this
but we're
one.
getting gold leaf because gold leaf.
We can't add too much because the glitter comes out.
Yeah, I know. Did you pick your colors, Ari,
No.
for glitter? I want to
Gold.
do black because isn't there black and grapefruit?
Sorry, we just need help.
Okay, I'm just gonna like take.
Sorry.
I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna.
This is such a pretty. I love this color.
So I'm putting. This is gonna be grapefruit. Since
Guys, we're so sorry because someone needs to help us.
yeah, we need help.
Yeah, that's why.
So,
Sorry if you see hands.
Yeah, it's just helping hands.
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay, so I am
Got
gonna
it.
mix this black glitter in for grapefruit. I always think that glitter's gonna color the slime, but it's not gonna color the slime. Here, what the heck? Whoa. that's
Sorry
cool.
if you see that.
Is that brown? Oh. Now I'm gonna add some of this. Here. I'm just gonna use this, guys, instead of using the shaker thing because that's just no. Thanks. So I'm gonna add like 3 little thingies of that, like scoopies. Whoa, that's cool, Larry. Oh, I'm gonna add some silver. That's gonna make it cool. So cool. The
Guys, I'm gonna show
silver
you.
kind of looks chubby, but it's not.
Kind of looks like Livy's like bee slime.
Yeah, but it looks better than my bee slime. That's what I think, at least.
This looks like
I'm
batter.
A little more.
She's putting my glitter in. That's all I'm gonna.
I'm not gonna put any of that in this time. I'm gonna put a little more black glitter.
I just
and
added
that's
a
all my
little
glitter.
bit. That's all I'm having. So it's definitely not gonna fall really out. Here it is so far. I think it's pretty enough.
So I got
What?
silver glitter, pink glitter, and black glitter.
I think
so
I want a little more gold.
mixy. Don't put too much. Oh, I thought you were putting a lot, but it's kind of stuck.
No, yeah, because there's something blue there. That's probably black too. And this one doesn't have any. That's why it's kind of hard.
Wow,
Yeah,
guys,
that's-
look how cool this is.
Whoa! I think that's enough glitter.